Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this scene that you see on the screen right now. I'd already done this tutorial once, and somebody called me out because I use a star node, and rightfully so. I did try it with an ellipse. He asked me why I didn't use an ellipse. Well, for whatever reason, when I tried the ellipse, the little spheres would not follow the path of the ellipse. But when I went back and did it afterwards, it worked. So I don't know what I was doing or if it was DaVinci. But anyhow, I'm going to redo it. And we'll go ahead and start on the edit page. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. Click away right about here. Shift space and S ellipse. And shift space and S render. This here will not connect to the media out without using the S render. Select the ellipse. Uncheck solid. Take the length all the way down. This is more of a personal preference. For now, I'm going to set mine at 0.03 for the border width. And select this ellipse. Shift space and S duplicate. And here's where I had the issue before. We already have 1 in the viewer. We want 8 altogether, so we're just going to add 7 more. And then come down to the Z rotation, go 360 divided by 8. And they should all be uniform on your screen. We'll go back to the ellipse. Let's connect the width and the height by using an expression. So click on the width. Expression. Grab the pick whip, carry it over to the height, and let go. I'm going to set mine to 0.25. This is where I had the problem before. For whatever reason, the spheres would not follow the path of the ellipse. But I now do not have that problem. I'm going to reset the border width to 0.02. Click the S render. Add a merge. Right click on the ellipse. Copy. Click away and paste instance. Right click on the S render. Copy. Click away and paste. Connect that into the merge and select the original render. Shift space and raise. And you should have what I have up on the screen. Pick a default color, select the ellipse, go to style. We go up here and select these 3 dots. We're going to check our underlay off. That way you can see what's going on better. For those of you that don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you're taking it off from. So if you change the value in one, it'll do it in both. The green indicates that it's connected. Right here, this green line. And in the inspector, all the green indicates that it's still coupled to the original node. But even things like the solid that are not green, they are still connected to the original node. They're still coupled together. We're going to de-instance a few things here. Border width, right click, and de-instance. Length, right click, and de-instance. Take the length all the way up. Take the border width to 0.004 or to your liking. And select the merge. Add another one. Get a fast noise. And a Mac control. Connect that to that merge. Trying to keep these above my keyboard so you guys can see them. Getting an ellipse. Now connect the ellipse into the Mac control. You want to right click on the output of the ellipse, hold it, carry it down to the Mac control, and put it in the garbage mat. And then select the Mac control. Go to the inspector, and the garbage mat, click the little arrow, and select the invert. Now we'll make another expression and connect these two together. Right click on the width, expression. You want to set that just inside of the ellipse. Select the fast noise. Take the detail all the way up and the contrast all the way up. Set the seed rate to 0.1. That'll get it moving. Go to the color tab. Turn the alpha all the way up. Set the red to 0.5. And the green is 0.25. Actually go 0.2. Go back to the noise tab. Select the discontinuous and invert. And you can adjust the sliders to your liking. I'm going to set the scale 5.0. Now we'll animate the ellipse. Select the ellipse. We're going to rotate it with the angle. Put your playhead at frame 0. Set the keyframe and the angle. I'm on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to advance 90 frames. And set the angle to 360. Right now mine's going backwards. I want to switch it. We're going to do that in the spline, along with one more other thing. Select your spline. This is in the way of your spline window. Little button up here says shrink. You don't have to select angle. Zoom to fit. Select all. Set relative. That way you can stretch this to any length you want on the timeline and it'll keep rotating. And I'm going to hit reverse. Okay, before we finish this up, we have one more thing to do. Go back to Fusion. Select the Merge 2. Add a transform. And this will be what you size it and say your coordinates. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.